2.5 weeks ago, I tried repairing the mesh on this backpack to hold the water bottle, and I taped it inside and out. It has held, but it's kind of crappy, so I'm a bit disappointed. I'm going to peel this off. So I'm not going to completely give up, though, because I think I was onto something. So I'm going to try this again. So far, thumbs down. Let's see if we can make it better. So I bought another roll of this Tenacious Tape. And I'm either doubling down on my mistake, or I'm actually going to make it work. But you will be the judge. I'm going to try to use a full piece. Put it on the inside, unfold it, and then wrap it around and come back down. So we have one unified piece. That might make the difference. Let's give it a shot. Forgot to do what I did before, which is reverse the roll so this thing is not so curly. Okay, it's not all the way down at the bottom. Let's try to see if we can get it there. That was good. I don't want to get too many wrinkles in this thing, so I want it to have give. Anything other than a black bottle, though, seems like it makes more sense. There you go. All right, now I can see where the tape is and where it isn't. This is good. Okay. I'm going to try to align it on the top, and then hopefully the bottom is aligned as well. Now the key thing is to have this flip over part when I go back down to go exactly over where I have the tape on the inside, so it has something to grip to besides just the mesh. The tape ends about here and there's a little bit more mesh. I don't think I want the tape to go too far beyond it, because it'll be a little bit sticky on the inside. So I want it to end where the tape ends. So I'm going to cut it. You have to cut this stuff because it is a nylon tape. It's basically string. And one thing I'm going to do is cut the edges off just a little bit. So that we don't have, I think it has less of a chance of catching on something and ripping off. This stuff is hard to cut. I'm going to press it up against the bottle. This will push the inside piece against the outside piece and vice versa. Now the question is, will it hold better? Time will tell. Okay, so it's been about 2.5 weeks since I taped up the ripped pocket, and the kids have been using the backpacks every day with water bottles inside, and it's held up. Let's get the water bottle in there. Perfect. No issues. It's held up. So I would say it's a success. Putting it on in one piece, inside and out, folding it over the elastic, and it works. Thumbs up.